Teacher Jovi, and welcome to another online class. Today, I'm not going to teach young learners. Instead, I'm going to teach you, my fellow teachers, on how to play a very important instrument in teaching kindergarten or in preschool. And that is the ukulele. You know, music is very important in teaching kindergarten because it helps the mind and body work together. It helps them learn the sounds and meaning of words, and most especially, it enhances memory skills, not only for the children, but only for us adults. So, are we ready for today? I'm so excited, I'm going to teach you only 3 chords, and those are C, G, and F. So, it's going to be easy as long as you practice it right and practice it every day. And by the time we were open, we're going to know already how to play the ukulele. So, let's start. So, this is the ukulele, and it has 4 strings. The first, second, third, fourth. It has 4 strings, and it has also frets, just like the guitar. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12, and so on. It has frets. So now, let's start the chord C. In C, we're going to use only 1 finger, and that is your ring finger. It's very easy, right? But don't worry, okay? Because the video is flipped for you to just mirror it. Okay? This is actually my left hand, not the right hand. This is my left hand holding the head, and this is my right hand going to strum it. Okay? Don't do it the other way around. Do it like this. It's mirrored. Okay? This is my middle finger. I'm sorry, this is my ring finger, and I'm going to count from first, second to third fret. Okay? The ring finger will go, yes, that's right. The ring finger will go to the 3rd fret on the first string. Okay? So, just press it like that for it to produce the correct sound. Okay? This is C. Oh, diba? It's so easy, right, teachers? This is C. Okay, let's practice. C. C. Alright, we're done with the C. So, let's go with G. G. For the G, we're going to use our 3 fingers. First, our middle finger will go to the 2nd fret, first, second, and going to the 1st string. Yung unang string sa baba. Okay. 2nd fret, 1st string. The middle finger. Then the index finger, this one, will go to the 2nd fret and 3rd string. 1, 2, 3. 3rd string. Okay? Last, the ring finger will go to the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. First, second, 3rd fret. The 2nd string like that. So, I repeat, this is the G. 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 Okay? So, the middle finger, again, first string on the 2nd fret. The pointing finger will go to the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and the ring finger will go to the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. That is G, alright? G. From C, we go to G. Alright, and we're done with G. Now, very good. Now, let's learn the letter F. We're going to use only 2 fingers, and that is the pointing finger and the middle finger. So, in F, you go this one, you use this one, you go from first, second. Okay, that is F. 1st fret, 2nd string. Then your middle finger will go to the 4th string on the 2nd fret. It's very easy. Oh, see? This one goes to the 2nd string on the 1st fret, and this one goes to the 4th string on the 2nd fret, right? It's F. This is F. This is C. C, C, C. This is G. And this is F. Okay? Are you ready to play one song? Let's practice once again. This is C. Then G. Here. Here. And here. And then F. 2 fingers only. 2nd string and 4th string. Okay? Good job! Okay, let's start to play one song that's very popular here in the Philippines, and that is the song, if you're happy and you know it, you clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, stamp your feet, say hooray, whatever. Okay? If you're going to strum your ukulele, just start up and down direction, just like that, and go with the rhythm of the song. So let's start with chord C. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. So after the C, let's go to G. And then, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. After the G, let's go back to C. Okay? I repeat. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. That's right. Then after that, let's do the F chord. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. After the F, this is the F, right? After the F, let's go back to C. And then G. Happy and you know it, clap your hands. That's very easy, right? Just C, G, G, A, and then F. And then go back to C, and then G, and then C. It's very easy, right? For our ukulele lesson for today, teachers. I hope you learned something, and I hope you start practicing at home, in your school, or whatever. If you don't have yet your ukulele, you can buy it online or in your music stores, in your provinces or cities, and it's only cheap. It's only from 1K to 3K or 5K. It depends on the brand. So you buy one and you start practicing. It's very easy. Yeah, that's right. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much. We love you. Mwah.